Hello, Wallowa County Educators. Today we're going to cover use of your Kenwood handheld radios. Since you're all keeping the radio charged regularly, let's use the right knob to turn it on with a clockwise motion. Hear that? This knob also controls your volume. See the screen, WSD staff. It will report its configuration name when started before going to the last channel you were on. Let's use the left knob to see the other channels available to us. Generally, each school district has a low and a high option, but they are the same channel. It will exhaust your battery faster when talking on high power, so stay off that unless you need it. You also have a channel named Travel, which is the same for all districts for use countywide or by the Wallowa ESD. While dedicated for us inside the county, we can also use it when we travel for sporting and other events within the state of Oregon. However, others may also be using it, so be kind and give priority to them first. I'm going to demonstrate the circle button now to take me to my home channel. This is also useful to exit other tasks. Next, I'm going to use the S button to scan all the channels available. This could be handy for a therapist or technician traveling between districts. When it hears something, it will tell you which channel it was heard on. Testing 1, 2, 3.
This is Bob. Has anyone seen Janet?
Observe that the light on top illuminates green when you're receiving. It will glow red when you're transmitting, or purple if the battery gets low. Let's press the S button again to cancel the scan, and circle to take us home. Now that I'm here, we'll use the center square button to lock my front keys. See, these are now deactivated. This lets you clip it on with less worry of buttons being bumped into doing things you don't want. The top knobs and side buttons still work, allowing you to communicate. Rolling over to the side of this radio, there are 3 buttons. The bottom one toggles the screen's backlight. The middle one allows you to monitor for weak signals as you hold it, while this largest top button is the press to talk button. So I'm going to roll this over here. Be sure to talk across the front of your radio for the best clarity and let go when done so you can hear a response. It's helpful to identify yourself and your message. This is Bob. Has anyone seen Janet? Then listen for a response. This is Jim. She just walked into the office. Avoid saying anything confidential, as others could possibly be listening. In ideal conditions, you can talk to someone several miles away. Obstructions like vehicles, buildings, and terrain will inhibit your range. When you're done using it, turn the volume knob counterclockwise all the way until it clicks. Now it's turned off. I hope you enjoy your Kenwood radio, and as always, if you have any troubles, please contact the Wallowa ESD Help Desk. Thank you.